Nice guys, as you can see it actually generating our James coins and energy, and it works perfectly. Hello there people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited James coins and energy for Shadow Fight free game, absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any mod or APK, jailbreak your phone or root it. It's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So before we start with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off, so let's go to the settings, search for battery and turn off the battery saver mode. On iOS devices it's called low power mode, so simply turn it off. Next, let's go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. As you can see, you can find it easily. Then scroll down and you will find the Shadow Fight free online tool. Click there. And now we will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here and you will find instruction on how to do it. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue. As you can see, it found and our user ID is successfully connected. The next step is to select our James coins and energy amount. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue and let's see if it actually works. So guys, if you want to stay updated with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. And now guys, we have a few minutes to complete this bot check process. Just click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. And now we are on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, we need to download 2 free games or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the game are downloaded, complete a task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So I will download Travel Town and I will download Dice Dreams and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and I got this message: you complete 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm wait about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together a little bit. Nice guys, as you can see, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. James coins and energy are on the way. I'm so excited to test my Shadow Fight free game and see if you're receiving our James coins and energy. So let me see. Let's wait. Nice guys, as you can see it actually generating our James coins and energy, and it works perfectly. So that is pretty much it for this tutorial. As you saw, AppLoop is an amazing website where you can get unlimited James coins and energy for Shadow Fight free game. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.